Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best treadmills for walking and running in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Goplus Superfit 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This 2-in-1 folding treadmill is both affordable and versatile, with 2 modes to meet your fitness needs. As shown in the image above, when the riser or handles are raised, this treadmill can be used as a jogging machine at a speed of up to 4 km per hour, perfect for use on a stand-up desk or if you're looking for a light stroll. Raise those handlebars, and you're looking at a full-fledged running treadmill with speeds up to 12 km per hour. With a powerful and quiet 2.25 HP motor, this treadmill packs a punch to keep you fit without causing havoc with your ears, making sure you don't distract anyone in another room whilst you're running. The shock-absorbing frame keeps the product sturdy, quiet, and safe. There is an LED display on the treadmill, displaying time, speed, distance, and calories. This treadmill also features a Bluetooth speaker to play out your tunes whilst you're working out. The remote control included provides easy volume control for Bluetooth playback. Number 2. Our second best pick is CITYSPORTS Treadmills for Home. The next featured product is the CITYSPORTS Treadmill for Home, allowing you to run quietly at night in the comfort of your own home. Constructed with a unibody aerospace-grade magnesium aluminum alloy frame, this product is sturdy and safe, supporting up to 265 pounds of load. The 7-layers non-slip texture running belt features a spacious running area, providing a comfortable and super safe running experience. The dual LED display shows time, speed, distance, and calories, allowing easy tracking of your workout. The compact design makes it easy to find a place to fit this treadmill, with transportation wheels attached, making it dead easy to move this product around the room. Like the Goplus treadmill, the CITYSPORTS treadmill also features an inbuilt Bluetooth speaker. This is perfect for blasting some of your favorite workout music or listening to a podcast during your run. The included remote control adjusts the speed and to turn on the treadmill. Number 3. Our third best pick is RUNOW Folding Treadmill. It certainly isn't the cheapest option in our roundup. But, if you want a sturdy build, a great feature set, and a high-tech touch display, this is a great choice. This folding treadmill for small spaces has 36 preset training modes for weight loss, cardio fitness, and health stamina building. The LCD monitor of the treadmill will also display data about your exercise, including speed, distance, calories burned, time, heart rate, and more. The treadmill features a convenient hydraulic folding mechanism, making it really simple to fold up and pack away the treadmill for those breezy rest days. Shock absorption technology in the running deck reduces the impact on your knees and joints while you run. Running deck on the treadmill can support a maximum user weight of 220 pounds. This treadmill offers some great value and a little bit of that premium flair. If you want a treadmill you can rely on, the RUNOW treadmill has got you covered. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Shin Folding Treadmill. Convenient and affordable, the Shin Folding Treadmill is our cheapest pick on the list. With a quiet, powerful vacuum motor and 6-level slip anti-static running belt that absorbs impact, this treadmill provides a fantastic and safe workout experience. Perfect for jogging, walking, running, and cardio workout at home. The folding mechanism helps you save space by folding and packing the treadmill away when you're not using it. With the easy-to-reach emergency stop switch, the treadmill stops immediately if an emergency arises. The LCD window console display helps you keep track of a number of functions, including time, distance, calories, and heart rate. The grip pulse sensor enables you to monitor your heart rate by placing your thumb on the hand grip, allowing you to monitor your heart rate and ensure you're working out safely. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is miniTREAD Walk While Seated Treadmill. The last choice on our list is a strange one. We all struggle to find time in the day to fit a workout in. Wouldn't it be brilliant if it were possible to have a great cardio workout whilst sitting at a desk? That's exactly what miniTREAD has achieved with their walk while seated treadmill. This handy product helps you burn calories and get cardio, core, and lower body exercise while you work or watch TV. Simply place this under your desk or under your coffee table, and start burning those pesky calories. It boosts circulation by working the core, quads, hamstrings, and calves and offsets the health negatives of sitting down for too long. Whilst working from home, why not combine your time behind your laptop with time getting a great, balanced workout? The included remote control measures steps, speed, calories burned, and allows you to adjust the speed and incline of the treadmill. This treadmill is strictly for sitting down only, and the manufacturer has indicated it is unsafe to stand on the miniTREAD. This product does teeter into the niche category, but it solves a very specific problem a lot of us face. If this use case scenario seems good to you, then check out the miniTREAD treadmill. So grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.